Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So, we're logged in as a member currently, but how do you set the input description for something to display differently on the output end? So, for example, you can see that we're using things like company name, your position, and first name and last name. Let's go to the live profile. We can see here when we go down here that, for example, company name and phone number are the same as they are on the form. So we can see here company name and phone number. But what if we want to add phone number and company name as a question? Let me show you what I mean. Let's go to Toolbox Form Manager. We're going to search for member contact details. So it's this one here. We're going to customize the form. So we've got the contact details form here. We're going to go down and we're going to look for the company. So this is the company name. So the company name placeholder that's being used at the moment just simply says company name. But what if we want for the input field to ask a question? So for example, we can do that by clicking this cogwheel, opening this section up, and we can ask a question for the input field. So we can say, what is the company name? Now, we don't want that to display on the website, because on the website, if it said what is the company name on the front end of the website, then that wouldn't look very good. Company name is more suitable for the front end of the website, so we just want to leave it as that. So the display view, we want it to just say company name. So we're going to save that. We're then going to go back here. So this is the input view that we're looking at. We're going to refresh the page. Now we're asking, what is the company name? Now this might be useful for some of the things you're asking, especially in the additional details form. So what is the company name? But on the front end, if we refresh it, it will remain the same because we've just inputted company name. So that can be really useful when trying to collect information to reword things differently on the input field over the way that it displays on the output to the viewer, to the visitor. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.